So this is Vieux Lyon, the old Lyon I told you about, and it has a lot of old buildings and pretty fun at night. So kind of a party place, party people, party places. We're just going here for a restaurant, an Indian restaurant. A lot of alleys inside. These are a few toy places, I guess. This is the Pirates of the Caribbean. Where is it? If you see over there, it's Pirates of the Caribbean. I don't think you can see that much clearer there, but should be much clearer now. You can see that Pirates of the Caribbean. Anyway, guys, it's just a franchise-based thing, place, whatever the hell it is. Yeah, this is a cool place to check out if you're in Lyon, especially at night, because in morning it kind of sucks. It's great during Christmas time because people hand out free Bibles and all, and not only that, you have a lot of clowns trying to entertain people and all that. So it's a nice time to visit during the Christmas. And this is some building lit up. I don't know what it is, but it's just a cool lit up building. So this is the restaurant Raval Tandoori in Vieux Lyon, where we're gonna have our food tonight, our dinner. And that is Mr. Ghafoor, the head chef of this restaurant, and I suppose the owner of the restaurant as well. And this restaurant is there since 1995. Yeah, pioneer the tandoori à Lyon. Says that they're the pioneers of tandoori in Lyon, and we're gonna check that out if they're indeed pioneers in tandoori. Well, me being a vegetarian, I'm not gonna eat any non-vegetarian food. It's just gonna be my friends who's gonna eat it, and I'll just be taking some vegetarian food, I guess. And I'll be it wouldn't be fair for a vegetarian to review a non-vegetarian restaurant, but still it'll be kind of different, and we're gonna talk with the people who actually work and the head chef himself, Mr. Ghafoor, and let's know about this place. So this is their menu, quite a long one. Well, it's all Indian. They have like samosas and asiyat vegetarian. Asiyat means I think it's a meal kind of a thing, and asiyat biryani, pule. Pule is like chicken, and kofta is like which kofta I think all Indians know about kofta. And pule kebab and all that again, tikka. And here again they have kebab and other stuff. And coming to this side, this is a taco wrap, I guess. And yeah, they have all kinds of non-vegetarian stuff. Well, the thing is, in France it's very difficult to find just vegetarian food. It's all food with non-veg and meat. And if you need something vegetarian, you just say that sans viande, which means without the meat. So they just take out the meat and give you the rest, which is vegetarian. So another important fact is it's not just an Indian restaurant. I don't know, like the restaurant owner is an Indian or Pakistani, but the cuisine they provide, it's both Indian and Pakistani, and basically South Asian. And even here they have their menu. We're just gonna look at them. हाँ भैया, वेजिटेरियन में कौन कौन है? थोड़ा राइस के साथ कोई है? ठीक है, राइस से पकौड़ा। हाँ ठीक है भैया। Yeah, we're gonna order rice and pakoda. भैया कोम्बिया सेकुट कितना होगा?
आपका सैंडविच चीज के साथ है, स्पाइसी नो स्पाइसी।
ड्रिंक है या नहीं? पानी। So here are the drinks. ओयासिस तो है भैया, ओयासिस है।
जो जितना लेने दे दो मुझे बता दीजिए। ठीक है।
हाँ ठीक है भाई.
ठीक है बस.
Well, yeah, they asked us to eat first and then pay later, which is kind of a good sign. But the only sign which is concerning me is none of them are wearing masks, which they're supposed to, and that's quite an alarming thing, at least for me. And yeah, I don't know what to say, but let's hope they don't have any COVID-19 on them. So this is the rice with pakodas, and that is, what is that? Rice with biryani with something, chicken I guess, yeah, chicken biryani. And this is normal rice with pakoda. If you see the rice, there's no difference. I think they just make some masala rice, I guess, and then to add the different flavors they mix the fried pakodas and the fried chicken, I guess. And yeah, let's see how it is. And another dish is yet to come, and after it comes I think we're gonna have a food. And here is the spoon, and let's see what's inside. Yeah, there is a fork and a knife, and just a fork and a knife. Yeah, just fork and knife, there's no spoon here. And I think this is the French way. I don't know, French people use spoons, but yeah. Okay, here is this, and yeah. Well, the third dish arrived, and this is called Indian tandoori. And one is the chicken biryani, one is the veg rice with pakodas, and one is the Indian tandoori. And how's the chicken biryani? And my friend says it's very good. He doesn't want to be in the video, so that's why I'm just speaking for him. And taste and let me know. Taste, it's fine. I won't put you in the video to taste. Yeah, so my friend, I don't think you're supposed to eat it like that. You're supposed to take a whole bite like it's a wrap or kind of thing. Yeah. And he's having it. How is it? It's still chewing, guys. It's like a running commentary here. I'm very sorry. I know this sucks. Being somebody else's mouthpiece and not even. He's saying it's Sava. He's saying it's okay, not that great. The tandoori thing, and chicken biryani is great apparently, and I'm gonna try this now. So hey guys, I know this view is a bit different, and this looks a bit, I don't know, if you're a vegetarian you might find this odd because it looks like a chicken piece, but don't worry, it's pakoda. And here is the rice. I'm just gonna try and I'm gonna tell you how it is. And behind it's just a banner, I guess, whatever it's called. Yeah, so let's dig in. They have a bit of salad on the sides, and then there's the pakodas, and then there's the rice. And here's my first spoon, and a bit of salad, a bit of rice. Yeah, it's quite different. Well, it's not the typical Indian food, Indian rice which you would expect. It's kind of North Indian because you get this kind of a tangy, kind of a, I don't know, some kind of a dal kind of a feel to this rice. I don't know how they made it. Well, it's basmati rice, and obviously they use turmeric. I don't know, I'm the worst food reviewer ever. This is my first food review, so well, the salad is good and it goes well with the rice. Yeah, there's a good blend between the rice and the salad, and they kind of have sauce, I guess. I think it's mayo, not mayo, some kind of a sauce on this. I'm gonna ask them what sauce is this. And pakodas, right? Let's get into pakodas now. Okay. Well, it's difficult to break, so I'm just gonna have it. To my surprise, of this plate, I would rate the pakoras the highest. Yeah, it's really nice. It has the right amount of the masalas, and it's very crispy. But I still feel that there's this ready-made mix kind of a feel. You know what I mean? I kind of have that feel to it a bit. But still, it's good enough for an Indian restaurant in France, I guess. Again, yeah, pakoras are really good. Yeah, they're very good. You better come if you're a veg fan or if you're vegetarian. Come to Rawal Tandoori just to enjoy the pakoras. They're really good. But it's very good, but it seems very dry. The pakoda is quite dry, and even the salad is quite dry. The rice again is just like having a variety rice, but a dry rice. So I wish it had more kind of a gravy to it, like a dal to it for vegetarians, or kind of a different gravy like gobi manchuri gravy, or some kind of a Chinese gravy would also do. But again, it's not a Chinese restaurant. But I'm speaking from an Indian point of view. In Indian restaurants they have gobi manchuri and baby corn manchuri and all that. But in France, yeah, this is quite good enough for a vegetarian. I can live on this. Yeah. And I actually bought this rice with the pakoras with a drink. It's not a menu. If you order a menu, you get a drink and you probably get rice, I guess. But this is just a simple, they call it samp, but I don't know if they call it samp here. But samp is just the dish alone. For example, if you buy a taco or a burger, you just get the burger alone without the fries and without the drink. If you want a menu, you can just ask for a burger menu or a menu of a taco or something. But again, for this Indian restaurant, there's no kind of a sample kind of a thing. But again, this is just the rice alone. I know I'm just repeating stuff. I'm the worst food reviewer ever. Well, this is my first time, so bear with me, guys. So I just finished eating, and the cost was €9.50 for rice with pakoda, just vegetarian stuff, which I think is a bit expensive. Around €7 to €6 would have been worth it for that food, and I think the rice didn't do justice as much as the pakoda did. So guys, this is Mr. Ghafoor, and say hi, Mr. Ghafoor.
Yes.
Mr. Ghafoor, can you give us an introduction about yourself? आप कहाँ से हो और कहाँ लियोन आए थे और क्या किया पहले?
I speak हिंदी.
हाँ, हिंदी अच्छा.
और मैं पहले तकरीबन आज से 15 साल पहले यहाँ पे लियोन में आया हूँ, और पहले तो 3-4 साल काम किए. 2 भाई थे,
ठीक है,
मिल के दोनों काम करते रहे हैं. उसके बाद फिर कुछ बैंक से लोन लिया, फिर कुछ हम लोगों ने इकट्ठा किया, और उसके बाद फिर ये रेस्टोरेंट ख़रीद लिया, रावल तंदूरी. और ये तकरीबन हो गए, इसको अभी 11 साल हो गए हैं हम चला रहे हैं. माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है. अच्छा भैया, आप और हम पाकिस्तान इस्लामाबाद से हैं. इस्लामाबाद.
Brother from another mother.
Yeah, my mother country is Islamabad, Pakistan. और तकरीबन 11 साल हो गए हमें ये रावल तंदूरी चलाती हुए, और मतलब बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है.
अच्छा है भैया, आपका पूरा फैमिली लियोन में है?
पूरी फैमिली, दोनों भाई हैं और हमारी दोनों फैमिली यहीं पे हैं. इसके अलावा हमारे ब्रदर इन लॉ है, वो भी 30 साल से यहाँ पे है. मिस्टर जहांगीर उसका नाम है, शायद जहांगीर.
हाय मिस्टर जहांगीर।
या मिस्टर जहांगीर, या वो भी यहाँ पे, मतलब कंप्लीट फैमिली यहाँ ही पे है।
ठीक है।
बाकी माय मदर इज पाकिस्तान, फादर इज डेथ,
हाँ ओके।
बाप फौत हो चुका है। बाकी हम
आपका मदर पाकिस्तान में?
मदर पाकिस्तान में है,
ठीक है।
और जो बड़ा भाई है वो पाकिस्तान में है।
ठीक है।
बाकी हम 2 भाई यहाँ पे हैं तकरीबन।
आप एवरी ईयर पाकिस्तान जाएगा क्या?
एवरी ईयर मदर के लिए जाता है,
मदर के लिए।
जाता है, मदर की हेल्प करता है, मदर के लिए जाते हैं, क्योंकि हमारे कल्चर में है ये ज़रूरी है मदर की हेल्प करना। तो जाते हैं, एवरी साल जाते हैं मदर को देखने के लिए। तो मतलब ये सिस्टम हमारा चल रहा है। बाकी हम मतलब 3 तो हम फैमिली के हैं, और 2-3 और काम करने वाले, मतलब ठीक चल रहा है, बेहतरीन जा रहा है।
कौन कौन देशों से
ये
काम करता है?
ये पाकिस्तान से है,
ठीक है।
और दूसरा जो है वो फ्रेंच नेशनल है, उसका बर्थ यहाँ का है, फ्रांस का।
ठीक है।
वो तकरीबन हमारे साथ 9 साल से आ रहा है। और दूसरा जो है वो भी पाकिस्तान से है, उसको भी 7-8 साल हो गए, यानी कि हमारे साथ बहुत अच्छे जा रहे हैं वो वर्कर जो है ना, काम करने वाले। एक मतलब नेशनल यहाँ का है, दूसरा पाकिस्तान से है।
ठीक है।
और एक कभी कभी स्टूडेंट आ जाते हैं, कभी इंडिया के आ जाते हैं, कभी नेपाल के आ जाते हैं, मतलब स्टूडेंट भी आते जाते रहते हैं।
आप स्टूडेंट्स को
शाम को कभी कभी मतलब
अपॉर्चुनिटी, पार्ट टाइम जॉब्स अपॉर्चुनिटी
देते हैं।
आप देगा?
हाँ देते हैं।
So yeah, guys, students in Lyon, you can make use of it. Come to Rawal Tandoori, and this hotel, this restaurant has quite a heritage, and as you can see, just a bit of thing here. Like he mentioned about going to Pakistan every year to take care of his mother and to check upon her, and you know, as an Indian, we have the same feeling, and as every person on the earth. From any other country, we all have the same feeling. It's humanity and love, and and yeah, you know, some,
और देख ले, हम इंडिया की भी पब्लिक सिटी कर रहे हैं।
हाँ, he's saying that he's
और इंडिया वालों को चाहिए हमें कुछ ना कुछ आप अपना ऐसा डाला करें।
yeah, he's saying that he's also promoting India as well. So in his restaurant, Indian tradition, Indian food.
Yeah.
So this is kind of brotherhood. You know, it's been going on for a long time. Although politically we may be like two sides of the coin, basically we all have the same face, which is, you know, love and the struggle to come out in life. And this person here is a very good example of that. And भैया मुझे एक क्वेश्चन है।
जी जी।
आपका वो राइस पकोड़ा है ना?
राइस
पकोड़ा
वेजिटेरियन पकोड़ा।
हाँ जी। मैं एक वेजिटेरियन हूँ।
हाँ जी।
मैं एक वेजिटेरियन हूँ।
हाँ, पकोड़ा जो है ना वो
पकोड़ा बहुत अच्छा था, और
वो होममेड है, मतलब खुद बनाते हैं।
क्या आप डालेगा पकोड़ा में? पकोड़े
में बैंगन डालते हैं, पालक डालते हैं, आलू डालते हैं, प्याज डालते हैं, धनिया, पुदीना, गोभी, ये सारा सब्जी मिक्स करते हैं।
आप मशरूम डालेगा क्या पकोड़ा में?
मशरूम नहीं, और इसके बाद उसका एक स्पेशल आटा होता है,
ठीक है,
वो डालते हैं, और अपना इंडियन पाकिस्तानी मिर्चें इस तरह स्पेसी डालते हैं, लेकिन बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, लाइट, जो यहाँ के फ्रेंच लोग पसंद करते हैं।
हाँ।
क्योंकि हम जो बनाते हैं वो
बहुत स्पाइसी होगा
नो, मतलब जो हम बनाते हैं उसमें ये फ्रेंच लोगों को प्रायोरिटी देते हैं, ताकि ये, क्योंकि इस फ्रांस में हम कारोबार कर रहे हैं, इनको पहले प्रायोरिटी देते हैं।
हाँ।
मिर्ची हम बहुत कम डालते हैं, इसलिए ताकि ये लोग भी यूज़ कर सकें।
हाँ ठीक है। और आप रेडीमेड मिक्स कोई आइटम्स यूज़ करेगा? और
नो,
फ्रेश, सब कुछ फ्रेश है?
सब चिकन हम फ्रेश लेते हैं, खुद काटता है, खुद उसका सॉस बनाता है, खुद लगाता है, हर रोज़ टिक्का उसका खुद मतलब लगाता है।
ठीक है। और वो राइस भैया,
राइस भी खुद बनाते हैं, डेली हम बनाते हैं।
कैसे आप बनेगा वो राइस, वो येलो कलर राइस? मुझे क्यूरियस हूँ मैं।
लेकिन ये जो उसका एक कुलिया है बनाने का, ये तो आपको पता है कि कोई भी रेस्टोरेंट वाला आपको कुलिया नहीं देगा, क्योंकि ये एक सीक्रेट होता है।
ठीक, हाँ।
ये कुलिया जो होता है, ये जिस तरह चिकन को हम सॉस लगा रहे हैं, ये भी हमारा एक सीक्रेट है
हाँ
कि इसमें क्या 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 चीज़ें हैं,
ठीक है।
क्योंकि ये कोई भी रेस्टोरेंट वाला
Yeah,
आपको
yeah.
नहीं देगा।
So guys, it's a business secret.
Yeah,
But
it's
it
business
was-
secret.
It was pretty nice, and Bhaiya, maybe Leon may 2 years almost.
Okay.
I'm staying here from almost for 2
Student?
years. Student.
Okay, okay.
And this is the first time I'm visiting your restaurant.
Okay.
I've always been crossing this road, you know, always been wanting to come here, and today I got the opportunity to meet you and like have food in your restaurant and actually get to know about you.
Thank you very much. But ये रावल तंदूरी, क्योंकि ये रावल का मतलब रावलपिंडी,
हाँ रावलपिंडी, हाँ
रावल मीन्स के रावलपिंडी।
हम्म,
हमारा जो पहले था यहाँ पे 15 साल उसने चलाया, उसने रावल तंदूरी रखा, यानी कि वो रावलपिंडी से था।
ठीक है।
हमें भी बिलोंग रावलपिंडी करती है क्योंकि हम भी नज़दीक है, तो हमने नाम नहीं चाहिए, उसी रावल तंदूरी के नाम से हम चला रहे हैं।
ठीक है।
लेकिन एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा रहा है, मतलब है लियोन में हर बंदे को पता है कि रावल तंदूरी का। तो और किचन भी आपने देख लिया होगा,
हाँ।
इंडियन पाकिस्तानी मिक्स, क्योंकि हमारा सिस्टम सारा एक ही है। बाकी
हाँ।
तो बॉर्डर एक साइड पे, वो तो गवर्नमेंट के
हाँ
problem है ना,
पॉलिटिकल है
वो उसको हम नहीं टच करते
हम
ना,
तो-
हमारा वो
हाँ।
प्रॉब्लम है। हमारा कारोबार के लिहाज से हमारे पास इंडियन लड़के काम करते थे, बहुत अच्छे दोस्त भी हैं
हम्म,
इसमें, मतलब है फ्रेंच दोस्त हैं, इंडियन हैं, नेपाल के हैं, मतलब है हम सबको इक्वल समझते हैं।
हाँ ओके ओके भाई।
मतलब है
और भैया मुझे एक कोविड का प्रश्न था, कौन सा इफेक्ट हुआ आपका रेस्टोरेंट कोविड में?
कवर्ड में हमने 2 महीने बंद,
हाँ।
परमानेंट बंद रखा है।
हाँ गवर्नमेंट ने
गवर्नमेंट हमें मतलब है जो हमारा किराया होता था उसमें हेल्प करती थी,
हम्म,
और जो लड़के मतलब है उनको भी जो आप कुछ 80% पेमेंट देते थे। लेकिन अच्छा गवर्नमेंट बहुत तावन किया है।
yeah, the French government has been like very helpful for
Yeah.
restaurants in France. They've been like helping them financially
Yeah.
to keep them afloat and to maintain their business. So that's been quite helpful. और भैया इधर लिखा है कि मास्क ऑब्लिगेटरी है,
यस
पर अंदर किचन में
नहीं
कोई मास्क नहीं डाला था ना?
नहीं, हमारे लड़कियों ने मतलब अभी तक वो देखें वो लगाया हुआ है।
हाँ
कहने का मतलब है ये गवर्नमेंट की तरफ, लेकिन लियोन में केस बहुत कम है, सबसे ज़्यादा पेरिस साइड पे है। उधर
हाँ।
पेरिस साइड पे बहुत
इधर बहुत कम है,
इधर
अब-
बहुत कम है।
अब
तो मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि ये मस्ट है, क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट ने इस पे जुर्माना रखा है 135 यूरो, लेकिन लियोन में केस बहुत कम है, इसलिए कई लगाते हैं कई नहीं, बल्कि मस्ट है, गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से ऑर्डर है कि लगाना है।
हाँ।
हम भी यूज़ कर रहे हैं, ये देखें
Yeah,
आपके सामने है।
So people have their masks on here, but most of the crucial cases, and there are most cases recorded in Paris and in Lyon. It's a green zone, so it's quite relaxed here. So whenever there are more cases, getting recorded by the government in Lyon, they will be obviously using masks, because if you're not using masks here, then you have to pay a fine of 135 euro per person. So that's quite a bad thing. And right now they're actually a bit relaxed, so that is why inside the kitchen it's okay for them to wear masks, is what Mr. Ghaffur is saying. And Mr. Ghaffur, would you like to say anything about?
मेरी तरफ से यही है कि आप सब लोग खुश रहें, आएँ, अपना काम करें, अपनी स्टडी करें, अपनी मेहनत करें और अपना मिशन पूरा करें।
हाँ
हमारी तरफ से यही है, हम सबको धन्यवाद कहते हैं।
हाँ बहुत अच्छा भैया,
Thank you very much.
thank you very much for your
Okay.
time. And guys,
Bye.
if you're in Lyon, check out Rawal Tandoori. It's a good restaurant. You can meet Mr. Ghaffur. He's a very friendly person. You can have a nice conversation with him. There's a lot of interesting people in Lyon, guys, and a lot of hard-working people who've made it from another country, from other countries like Pakistan, India, Egypt, Morocco, and they work hard for lots of years, and they finally make their own stuff happening and successfully. And भैया आपका रेस्टोरेंट बहुत जीते रहो और आप भी जीते रहो।
और थैंक यू वेरी मच ही, आपका भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, शुक्रिया, और मिलते रहेंगे, यादों में याद रखना।
हाँ आप भी भैया।
ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच, गुड
Thank you
नाइट।
very much. Good night.
बाय बाय।
Good night. Thank you.
थैंक यू।
So guys, this has been the interview, and it was quite a good interview as well. And and I actually asked him a critical question regarding the masks, and he did not flinch a bit, and he answered that with a lot of grit, and he said what's happening, and I think that's pretty fair on his side. So guys, that was my first food review and my first talk with a businessman. Guys, to end the video on a high note, literally a high note, I'm going to be showing you the hilltop kind of a view of Lyon, the city, and this is called the Fouvrier, which is at the top of Lyon, of a hill on Lyon, and this is the place, the view, and it's just breathtaking. I've seen this view, I've seen the city in the morning a lot of times, but actually experiencing and visualizing the beauty of it at night is totally another ball game. And it's a very, very long trek from the bottom. So we came all the way from there. That's Vieux-Lyon, I guess. Okay, no, this is Vieux-Lyon. We came from there, Belco, and it's quite a long way. It's all uphill, and this view makes it totally worth it. This is the telescope, and during the morning you have this place crowded with people, and you don't get a space for a single person to stand here and take a perfect picture. And this is it. Those are my friends. It was a long way, dude. Seriously, guys. It's such a beautiful view, and it's been 2 years, and this is the first time I'm actually seeing this view. I never cared to come out. I was a lazy ass, and I think this is a good opportunity. Yeah, I feel satisfied that okay, in the 2 years of my stay in Lyon, I got to see this and capture the moment on video. So if I look at this video after a year, 2 years, 10 years, 20 years, I'll be happy, and I'll remember this moment. I'll remember my stay in Lyon in France. I know that this might seem all too emotional and shit. Anyway, let's forget that, and this is the view, guys. I hope my phone captures it well, at least to its best capacity. And I know this mask kind of makes things bad, but this looks better. Let's spread the joy of travel, and let's enjoy beauty as it is and share it with the people around us. Take care, guys. Ciao. Like, share with your friends. I hope to make more videos like this. Let me know if you're interested in vlogs and talking to people videos, and getting to know others videos, and my first video happened to be a video with a Pakistani, and I'm pretty proud of that, because come on guys, we need to hold hands and make shit happen together, right? Let's do it. So this is Hari, take care, cheers, goodbye, ciao.